So it's 6:45 and I'm actually happy to be out this early. That's great. That will leave me like plenty of space to do things during the day. So today I'm going to visit the British Museum. Look at the sunrise. I also really need to find something with coffee. I have biscuits on me, but I need some coffee. Royal Academy of Dramatic Art. So I'm nearly there. I'm here and the museum is here. It's not even 8 a.m. and the museum only opens at 10. So I have plenty of time to take a coffee and chill and visit some stuff. Just walk around. I don't know what those are for, but they are like a lot. And some have some name like the Cheesy Man. I have no idea what's that for. This one is the Handsome Man. I think there's actually like some filming happening in there because like this one there's director on it and it's really, there's quite some people are still inside. There's quite a lot of people. So the good news is I found the British Museum right there, always standing beautiful, but I still don't have my coffee. I'm not even sure that this is the main entrance. That's probably the back. That looks like the back to me. There is also Covent Garden that way, so that's going to be nice. And there are still like all those cinema stuff. That's weird. That's some kick-ass breakfast. Coffee. This is like liquid oats and stuff. And actual biscuits. So you know what? It's not even 9 a.m. So I'm going to go. I think that's this way. That there's Covent Garden. So I'm going that way. Alright, so I'm here in Covent Garden. So the most interesting things to do are the piazza and the market. So I should manage not to get lost. So I found Covent Garden market, but it's still only like 9:30, so a lot of things might be closed still. Nicest benches ever. So it's only 10 a.m. so all the shops are opening in Covent Garden. There's the Jubilee Market in front. So that's Covent Garden Market and Jubilee Market. So now it's like 10:15. So I think it's time for me to go back to the British Museum and spend my day there basically. Because I also wanted to do this today because it's not too far away, but as I've been awake since 6 a.m. I had time to do this before the museum. That's cool. Right, so there I am and I want to go there. So I found it. It's right there. So now it's time to go inside. Yeah. So that's a copy of the Rosetta Stone. So this one we can actually touch because it's a copy. And I entered at like 11 a.m. and it's now 3:30 p.m. So that was a long time. I'm super tired and I didn't eat. So now I have to find like a park or something to go eat. Alright, so I only showed you like a tiny part of what I saw in the museum. First because I mainly took like a lot of photos and not that much videos. Also just because I think it would be boring and I don't want to spoil the thing. You have to see for yourself. It's really big, really nice. It's basically history mostly. And a lot of regions of the world are being covered, so that's nice. Now it's 4 p.m, 10 past 4. And I'm going to go toward Oxford Street, I think it's, maybe Piccadilly. So we'll try to see that. So that's mainly shopping and stuff like this now. That's for me. There's like an entire floor of just Harry Potter. Came back to the hotel and now I'm out again just to go to Tesco to buy some food for tonight. And yeah, that was another good day, very busy. So here are some pictures that I took today in 3, 2, 1. See you in the next video. Tomorrow I'm going to the Tate Museum, around the Thames and around St. Paul Cathedral and so on. So yeah, see you in the next video. Is that there's a fox? I'm not joking, I just saw a fox. A fox. like a tiny one, but that was a fox. That's a dog, definitely.